Hello and welcome back to All Things Auto, and welcome to a very special video. This is a video I think will end up being our favourite ones to date.
We've been thinking about this for quite a while. It's
been a long time.
It is quite a special one.
This is an Aston Martin Vantage, but not just any Vantage. This is a Vantage GT8, which is just a phenomenal car. Really, really rare. So in this video we're going to be walking around, talking about the design, the interior, bit of practicality, but that's just nonsense for this car.
Incredible noise.
Oh, it sounds amazing. Hearing it arrive here was just something else.
It's unbelievable. It's genuinely...
Really is. And of course we'll be going out for a drive, as with all of our car reviews. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already, because there'll be a lot more of these car reviews coming. Some really incredible cars.
I'm excited.
We're so excited for this. We didn't sleep last night, don't know if you can tell. So then, let's take a look around the design, because this is a phenomenal looking car, really nice. Matthew, run us through.
Right, first of all, as you can already tell, carbon fibre front splitter. You've also got, the orange bits being the GT8. Going around here, you've got orange brake calipers, which I actually quite like.
They are lovely.
Black wheels, carbon fibre trim with... I don't want to touch anything. Stop.
No, I know. I can tell
expensive.
you a quick fact. This piece of trim here, this fin that sort of fins the air, that features on the Aston Martin GT8 Vantage, which is the race car. This is sort of the road-going version of the Aston Martin racing car. So that's a nice touch.
Obviously got your orange windows.
Yeah, nice touch.
And it's massive.
It's a massive wing. It really is a massive wing. Now, the test for a wing and a spoiler, it's a wing if you can fit your head underneath. So Matthew, just do a little test.
It is a spoiler.
Oh, it is maybe classed as a spoiler, but this is an exception, okay? This is British built, so we'll big it up and call it a wing. This is phenomenal.
The detail on this is a good carbon fibre emerald between the lights.
That is just amazing.
This whole chassis, there you go.
Chassis.
It's bespoke made carbon fibre, which is just incredible. From the side, it's the widest track.
Yes.
Aston Martin ever.
Let's come back here and let's just have a look at this. Oh my word. The tyres are just massive. They must be hundreds of corners.
Thick boy tyres. I'm not going to fit my hands in there because they're very hot. But
They will be.
You could very easily fit
Your fist in there.
I'm not going to stick a stick in there. Do you like what's
not with this car. Maybe with the Panda, but not with this. This is something else.
Something which costs 170.
Yes. And it's rising. It will rise because this is a one-off car. Another thing to point out is because this is the GT8, so it's going to be a lot lighter. So the entire body is actually made up of carbon fibre. Okay, so that shaves off 100 kilograms from the standard Vantage, which is quite an impressive figure, really. So this wing, in between the lights, all of the trim, just everything you see is made out of carbon fibre. The attention to detail is just amazing. And this is hand built here in the UK. How often do you see that nowadays?
Just
not that often. No. You think of Morgan, yes, that is settled, but the parts come from Italy.
Yeah, they come from don't they use Mercedes engines? Or am I getting that wrong?
The BMW engines.
BMW engines.
And obviously modern Aston Martins, they're teaming up with Mercedes, but this is not one of them cars. This is pure British engineering. It's just splendid. It just looks phenomenal.
And speaking of pure, they need to wait until they hear the engine. This is a 4.7 naturally aspirated V8. I think it carries it from the Vantage V8S.
Yes, that's right.
Naturally aspirated goodness.
Yeah. How often do you see that nowadays as well?
I can't think of a new naturally aspirated car.
Not at all. And that 4.7 V8 produces 440 horsepower. But wait.
Which may not sound, it doesn't really sound too much considering now Mercedes are getting that from a 2 litre 4-cylinder. But this, as you can tell, isn't really about top speeds or acceleration. It's about handling. It's about cornering.
That's what it's about. And obviously it's really lightweight, so it's all about power.
Oh, incredibly.
It is just beautiful. I cannot stress that enough. It is stunning. It's going to be one of the best looking cars we've had on the channel. And I'm going to say this. It is better looking than a Fiat Panda 100 horsepower. Matthew is very excited because the door has straps. This is all to decrease weight.
These are the most comfortable bucket seats. They feature an Aston Martin badge.
Oh my, I missed that completely. I just saw the stitching, which is also very nice.
The steering wheel, looking at it now, seems a bit small. Oh, it's got the Aston Martin reverse.
Yeah, reverse dials. I like that.
BMWs.
I do really like that.
The speedo. Oh my god,
so
the speedo goes up to 240. It won't do 240.
But it's nice to know that it's on the dash.
It's nice to know that it's on the dash. You know how you used to have like when you were younger?
Yes.
Or the speedo goes to 160.
Yes.
Therefore my car goes 160.
Yeah, well in that case the Panda can go 160. It can't. I'll struggle at 110. But this is beautiful.
It's got a sport button.
Oh, that says a lot.
Button. It's got carbon fibre. It's got engine start with Aston Martin on it. It's got a manual gearbox. Is this storage? You have storage here.
Oh, is that for your key? Oh,
I don't
something,
think that's
yeah.
the key. If it is the key,
I mean, just look at the entire of the dash, which is Alcantara.
It's all Alcantara. The winds, you need to sit in here.
I'm gonna jump in here. So I'm gonna jump into the
incredible
driver's seat, and I'm gonna be so careful to. You can grab the camera. Oh my word!
Sitting out of it now, it seems so small. You seem so like low and high at the same time. You get full carbon fibre dashboards, and I don't know if that's a glove box. I don't know what it is. I don't want to touch anything because I don't want to ruin it. It's got a light there. You've got light. Oh my god, it's just
flipping hell. This is just gorgeous.
Flipping hell, yeah. We used the bad words today. Got full Alcantara up here, and the roof. Oh my lord!
Jesus. It's just outstanding. And I do really like the stinky wheel as well. Not stinky, dinky. Stinky, not stinky.
Alright, I'm sure the man's going to love that you called his wheel stinky.
I know. But we do have to say a massive thank you to the owner,
yes.
Alex, for showing us around this. It's such a privilege for us, and it's amazing.
It's
an
incredible machine.
Thank you to all of our supporters on YouTube as well, because without you guys, this wouldn't happen.
Exactly.
We've got to make that clear.
It's just incredible.
It's surreal. It really is.
The reverse rev counter is incredible.
Oh, it's just beautiful. Now, something I've got to point out is a couple of years ago, I got to drive a V8 Vantage, and it was just the standard Vantage.
Yeah.
So poverty spec, I know. And if I'm honest, it was a bit of a disappointment.
Oh, mad.
I got out of it, and it didn't wow me as such. It was because I'd just come out of an Audi R8 and cars like that. So it was a bit of a disappointment, I dare say. It just didn't make me go, wow, like some of the cars did on the driving experience. This is the GT8, and I'm very excited to see if it's
hearing
any
it
good.
Today is just hearing it as it just pulled up. We were waiting for it, wondered where it is, and then we heard it, and then we thought,
it's just amazing. And I actually think it's one of the loudest exhaust systems to come standard on a production car.
It's got seat controls. Are
they electronic?
Yes.
Oh wow. Oh, they are electronic seat controls. I didn't expect that in a lightweight car, actually. That's amazing. So it's electronic seat controls, but it's still so lightweight. That is special.
Oh my god, I can recline it, and then
that is sublime.
I need to change of underwear. I do. Hang on, I'm gonna have to.
This is just amazing. Give us a moment, guys. So Matthew's going to demonstrate how you actually get out the car.
There's a little plastic lever here. You pull that.
Yes.
And it says Vantage GT8 hand built. Oh, sorry to cover the camera with
Good
my
camera
hands.
work. Oh, that is a lovely touch. I love plaques in cars like this.
That is.
What? I just love it. And again, I'm going to use the word dinky again. I'm sorry, but dinky gear lever as well.
I know, yeah. The owner was actually saying about the gearbox in this. When you drive at low speeds, he actually stalls it sometimes because the gearbox, as it's also got a lightweight clutch.
Yeah, and flywheel.
And the flywheel, yeah. It's just very hard to drive.
This is the AMR clutch, so it's definitely built for...
If you don't know what AMR stands for, it's Aston Martin Racing, and that is just cool.
That is so cool.
Oh my god.
Do you know what, right? My name is Daniel. My name is Daniel Echthouse, but today, call me Daniel Craig.
Oh my god, I've just gotten that.
I'm Bond.
Oh my god.
I am James Bond today. That's who I am.
We're never going to
In
get a
Aston.
car again to review. We just won't.
I'm sorry, I just feel so cool.
I'll leave you in here with your like, what? Aston Martin GT8. Oh my god.
I know we pointed this out before, but just look at that front carbon splitter. Now you can remove these, they are bolted on, so if you're, if you live in a place full of speed bumps, it's probably best to take them off. But they just really add something to the front end. Just looks really angry over the quite friendly standard Vantage design. It's stunning. And for the tyre boffins, this is running Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, which is a really, really good tyre. Just so grippy. I just love it. So wide as well. If we go over to the rear tyre, this is getting very technical now. Matthew's just speaking to the owner. Oh my word. That has got to be, let me take a guess, it's got to be north of £500 a tyre. That is just phenomenal. Okay viewers, so now it's time to go out for a drive, and Matthew's kindly said I can go first. Sounds amazing! Oh my word. Naturally aspirated V8. Wow, you don't get that often. Oh, it's really something else. I know through the camera you can't get a sense of how loud it is, but honestly I can't even hear myself speak. It's that loud. Oh, this is just... Oh wow, that was traction control off as well. Wow, it's an absolute thug. It's funny. I've never been in a car like this, I'm going to say that straight away. It's something else. Them cyclists have probably got the fright of their life. Sorry guys. As we pull up to these traffic lights, just look in the mirror, that wide rear wheel arch. That says a lot about the wide track. I don't know if we said this. Don't know if we said this before, but it's actually the widest track Aston Martin ever made. It's just amazing. Matthew's going out now, and I said to him, prepare your eardrums, because that is a car that likes to scream. It's amazing. I've never been in anything like it. I've been in the standard V8 Vantage, I've been in a Huracan Performante, I've been in a 570S with Matthew. Nothing, none of them cars compares to that Aston. Not even the Fiat Panda 100 horsepower, which says a massive amount. But what I really came to say was, in a world where, you know, the rise of EV is starting and cars are all going hybrid and maybe even 4-cylinder, like, you know, AMG 4-cylinders, cars like that, you know, 4.7 litre V8, naturally aspirated, manual gearbox, we've really got to cherish them, because we're not going to have them for long. It's going to be them cars that really make us happy. Now, I'm pro EV, but I also am a massive fan of piston cars, obviously, I would be. So that's a car we really have to cherish. It's a rare breed, isn't it? Naturally aspirated manual gearbox cars. Matthew, not in the Me Electric, but in the Aston Martin. That was extremely ironic how a Seat Me Electric just drove by, and right behind it was a great big thumping V8. But I'm going to run on camera to get his reaction, see what he thinks, and I'm going to guess he's a bit buzzing. So then, that is our review of the Aston Martin Vantage GT8. Now, this isn't even a question really, but I'm going to ask it anyway. 10, Matthew, 10 out of 10. I'm going to rate it a 10 out of 10, and I'm going to go as far to say it's one of the most incredible cars I've been in, really. I said that.
I think it's the best one we've reviewed.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Sorry, Aid, I know. With the McLaren and the Abarth and the Xenos, but this is just epic. And cars like this, you won't get them often. So, if you like these sort of videos, and you like just videos in general, then remember to subscribe, because it really helps. Let us know in the comments whether you like this car or not. You probably will, let's face it, because it just sounds epic.
I don't have any words. I'm honestly lost for words.
It's just an incredible car.
It's an incredible thing to be, to sit in, to look at.
Exactly.
Some kids who came over here before.
Yes.
Around, we would have been like them when we were younger.
Yeah, well,
and they were all asking for a picture.
They asked the owner to drift it as well. Not on this gravel anyway, but yeah, it's just nice, isn't it? The community that comes with Aston Martin ownership in particular, really. There's a WhatsApp group for GT8 owners, and it's supportive, really. And it's hard to get that with a lot of these expensive cars these days.
I don't want to end this.
No, I know. I kind of don't want to leave. Yeah, but there will be more car reviews to come soon. I'll give you a clue. There's another McLaren coming in a few weeks to the channel.
It will be the quickest car we've ever been in.
It will be, yeah, so that's going to be interesting. But subscribe and turn on post notifications, really, and you will see the video out very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Goodbye.